everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share my traditional makeup look with you guys. Diwali aa raha hai, Navratri aa raha hai. There are so many festivals lined up. So I thought traditional makeup look to banta hai. But this is such a beautiful soft brown smoky eye look और ये सारे कपड़ों पे जाता है और each and every outfit को elevate कर देता है. If you have a sari, lehenga, normal kurti, just do this makeup look and it will go on each and every look. I promise you that. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching till the end. और सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने Amazon से ऑर्डर किए हैं. There is a festive sale going on, so आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पे अच्छे खासे डिस्काउंट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. So if you want to know what all I used and how I achieved this look, definitely keep on watching and let's get started. Hey everyone, let's get started. I already did my hairstyle into this nice sleek low bun. I already have a video on this. If you're interested, I'll leave the links in the description down below. But first, let's get started with the skincare. For toner, I'm gonna use rose water by the brand Natural Wash. It's a really great toner and highly recommend it. I'm gonna do a generous spritz of it all over my face and let it sink in. Next, I'm gonna use Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's an amazing lip balm. I absolutely love it. Next, I'm gonna use Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence by the brand Cosrx. Now, I know this is a skincare stuff, but I genuinely feel it gives a really nice dewy look. So I like to apply it before I apply my makeup as well. Skin just loves this product. I would highly recommend. Don't forget your neck. Next, I'm gonna use the Lakme Lumi Cream. Now this, I'm gonna apply it only on the high points of my face. Again, this will give a nice inner glow kind of a look to your face. Do you see that glow? It's looking beautiful. Next, I'm gonna use Silk Blur by the brand Plume. Now this is a moisturizer and a primer. I love it. It moisturizes my skin as well as it just gives a nice blurring effect and hide those large pores. With that step, the prep is done. My skin is nicely moisturized and prepped for the makeup. The first thing I'm gonna do is color correct my under eyes, and for that I'm gonna use a lipstick, but you can use a proper color corrector. You can use a peach color corrector or an orange corrector. Next, for foundation, I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 118. Now this is a beautiful foundation. It gives a nice dewy look. Now you can add some kind of a serum or a highlighting cream. Just mix it in to give it a little bit more dewy. But now that I have added already on my face and I've prepped my face really well, I'm not gonna add it in the foundation. Whoa, look at that beautiful glow on my face. This is why you should always prep your skin before going ahead with the foundation. Next, I'm just gonna rub my hands and warm my face a little bit. I just feel that it helps. I feel it melts the foundation and it just looks and sits better. Just pat it gently and that's it. Next, for concealer, I'm going to use again Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. The base is looking beautiful, so I do not want to overdo the concealer, just where I actually need it. And using my ring finger, I'm going to blend this in as well. Again, do not drag and move the product, just tap it slightly and it will blend in. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes with Sugar Banana Powder. Now my skin is really dry, but I do like to set my under eyes. I just feel it looks really well and it photographs really well on camera. So I'm just gonna cover my under eyes, a little bit on the forehead, just places where it looks a little bit more shiny than usual. Next, I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. Now this I like to use as my contouring cream. I do not like to add a lot, just a slight hint to add a little bit more warmth on my face. Using an angled brush, I'm gonna blend everything in. Okay, once I'm done with all the cream bronzing product, I'm gonna set everything in with a powder bronzer. I'm gonna use this Savannah Colors blush palette. Now this has a highlighter as well as bronzer and I like to use the bronzer color in this. And I'm just gonna set wherever I have bronzed. I feel like this way it just lasts 10 times longer. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna do the same thing. For the cream blush, I'm gonna use Daughter Earth in the shade Pink, just a very tiny amount and dot it on your cheeks. Again, using my blush brush, I'm gonna blend that in. As you can clearly see, I'm not going overboard with the cream blush as well, as I will layer it up with a powder one. Also with this cream blush, a little goes a long way. This is a cheek and lip tint, by the way. Next, for powder blush, I'm gonna use the same Savannah Colors palette and use this particular shade all over my cheeks. And with that, my base is almost done and it's looking so freaking natural. I love it. This is my go-to base makeup look. Let's concentrate on the eyes now. For eyebrows, I'm gonna use a taupe color from this palette, and with a very light hand, I'm gonna start filling in all the bald spots, keeping the natural shape of my eyebrows. I do not like to overdo it, just following the natural shape and filling in wherever necessary. Don't forget to brush it in, it just blends all the product together. Next, I'm gonna use e.l.f. brow gel in the shade dark brown. This is also tinted, so again it's gonna set it as well as tint it a little bit. And with that, my eyebrows are done. On my eyelids, I'm using a brown kajal by the brand Sugar. It's intense kajal in the shade 02 brown bag. Using this, I'm just gonna create a line. You do not have to be precise about it because you're gonna blend it any which ways. This is how it should look like. Next, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Sofx palette. Now look at the colors in this palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. This palette has literally all the shades that you will need for any traditional or Indian makeup look, and I love that it comes with a gigantic mirror on top so you can actually do your makeup on the go. First, I'm gonna pick up this black shade called Nightmare and place it all over my lid and gently blend it in as well. Next, I'm gonna pick up this brick color called Danger and place it right above it in the crease area, and make sure that you blend it really well with the Nightmare color. Okay, to blend it even more, I'm gonna pick up this peach color called Peaches and place it on top of Danger and blend it all really well so it looks like a nice ombre. Next, I'm gonna pick up this shade called Petrol and place it right on top of the black shade that you just applied. I tried applying this with a wet brush but उतना payout नहीं आ रहा था. Fingers से सबसे best payout आ रहा है. Next, I'm gonna use the brown kajal by Sugar again and fill my waterline. Next, I'm gonna pick Danger and Peaches both and apply it on my lower lash line, connecting the top. I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. Absolutely love this mascara. I'm not gonna do multiple coats, just a single layer because I'm gonna apply lashes any which ways. Okay, for lashes, I'm gonna use this very natural looking lashes, and to stick it in, I'm gonna use Miss Claire eyelash glue. I'm gonna quickly do this off camera. And this is the final eye look. I absolutely love how gorgeous and warm and beautiful it's looking. Let's complete the base now. For highlighter, I'm going to use the same Savannah Colors palette and use the highlighter shade. I'm going to switch to a flat brush and apply the highlighter on my brow bone as well to highlight it. It looks really pretty. For lipstick, I'm going to use Simply Numb liquid lipstick in the shade Hana. It's a beautiful mauve color. This is just one swipe of this liquid lip color. I feel like if I layer it up, it looks really dark and I don't like that. So one swipe does the job for me. And to set everything in, I'm gonna use Miss Claire Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And this is the final look. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this look and क्या आप recreate करोगे in the upcoming festive season. And if you do not forget to tag me on your social media. I would love to reshare it and I would love to see how you recreated this look. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूंगी. अगर आपको कुछ प्रोडक्ट परचेज करना है इजीली आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. विद दैट सेड द कमेंट शाउट आउट गोज टू रेशमा पुजारी. रेशमा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कमेंट. इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट एंड आई सी यू गाइस इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय. I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.